Hi, welcome to Ed Foodie. Another hot summer day in Texas. We're going to have a cold cucumber soup today. Going to use up some of the cucumbers in the garden and hopefully just have a nice, refreshing cold cucumber soup with some dill in it and some tarragon and just really light and refreshing. So let's get started. What's nice about this recipe is no cooking involved, so everything's going to be cold. It's going to be pretty quick. Longest thing is you got to put it in the refrigerator for, I don't know, 6 to 8 hours just to get the flavors to blend and make sure it's nice and cold. So I'll probably make this today and we'll serve it and eat it tomorrow. So the first thing we want to do is I've got about 2 pounds of cucumbers. Let's go ahead and cut the ends off. And what I'm going to use here to make the soup is the just the regular cucumbers. And then for the final topping, I'm going to use the pickling cucumbers because they're kind of nice and crunchy, and I think that'll be a good texture offset to the smooth soup. All right, so we got the ends cut off the cucumbers. Let's cut them in half. Then what we'll do is discard. We'll scrape these seeds out with a spoon. They should come out pretty easy here. All right, we discarded those seeds. We'll take these cucumbers and just roughly chop them because we're going to put all this stuff in the food processor. Okay, we're going to put in 1.5 cups of just some plain, I have Greek yogurt. All right, let's try to make some more room in my food processor here. So we'll pulverize this to a liquid. All right, we'll add 3 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, roughly chopped 1 shallot, 1 good-sized clove of garlic. This is a little small, so I'm going to put 2 in. 1/3 of a cup of dill. I'm going to take just 2 really nice size pieces of dill. And I'm just, very roughly, I'm just going to tear them up in here a little bit. We're going to blend all this stuff together. Some fresh tarragon. Let's put in like maybe 2.5 sprigs of tarragon. 1/4 cup of olive oil. Well, I think that's going to do it. So let's blend this till it's pretty nice and smooth. Let's put some salt. Just salt to your taste. I'm going to maybe put a little bit more than usual just because of the yogurt. All right, I'm going to taste this. Nice. Good. Okay, we're going to pour this into a bowl and cover it, put it in the refrigerator overnight, let these flavors all blend in together good. And then we'll try it out tomorrow morning or tomorrow lunchtime. All right, so filled up this serving bowl pretty good. There's going to be 3 or 4 small servings or 2 large servings. So we're going to put this in the refrigerator and let it sit overnight. We'll put it in individual bowls. We'll top it with maybe a little bit of finely chopped red onion, maybe a little bit of sesame oil on top, and maybe just some very small diced cucumbers on top. There we have it. Okay, our cucumber soup has been in the refrigerator overnight. Looks pretty good. All right, I got a bowl served up. What I'm going to do is put in some extra toppings just to give it a little extra flavor. I think what I'm going to do on mine is I'm going to put just a little small dollop of sour cream. I'm going to put some chopped up avocado. I'm going to sprinkle a little bit more of the fresh chopped dill. You can never have too much dill. Okay, and also I think it's going to really be important is I got some chopped up red onions. And then on mine, the last thing I want to do here is I have some leftover goat cheese from a recipe I made the other day. And I love this stuff. So I'm going to sprinkle a little bit. All right, so let's try this. It looks really good. Mm. Yeah, the nice, cool, and refreshing. I'll tell you what, that goat cheese really kind of gives it that smooth, creamy flavor. And the red onions, also very important, yeah. I don't know if I told you, I did add a little bit extra salt before I serve this up. Mmm, really nice. Great on a hot day, cold, refreshing. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to Ed Foodie right over there. Thank you for watching.